natin. Ayan o. Pogi. Bait ng motor, oh. Hindi basta tayo. Safe driver. Cool lang siya, oh. Yan. Lumipat na, gawa ng truck. May truck din dyan. Balik ka yan. Ano yun? Napakaliit na extension para sa traffic. Galing, oh. Galing, no? Yan, may banderang green. Galing, oh. 1, 2. Dito dalawa kinain, oh. Buksan nyo na ang tulay. Wala ba bang natatapos na tulay? Wala bang tapos na tulay? Yan yata tulay, yan. Grabe kung makasingit. Ayan ang tulay, oh. Pag ang tulay na ito ay nadali, tapos winner.
aalis ko papunta sa ibang bansa, mga kapuso, siguro naman may paliwanag sa iba kung bakit may picture sila. Sino ba mga kasama dito ni dating PNP Chief Acorda? Ni na Alice Goo, Wesley Goo, Kalugay at dating PNP Chief Acorda, magkakasama daw sila. At saka doon sa isang larawan kasama ni Acorda, si Tony Yang, na kapatid ni dating Presidential Economic Advisor Michael Yang na hindi natawid sa Congo. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, kulang dito mga kapuso, bigyan natin ng benefit of the doubt. Pero may sinabi na po si dating PNP Chief Acorda mahal niya ang bansa at ang PNP at ang ginawa lamang niya ay dapat gawin ng isang Pilipino at bilang isang police officer. Wala pong direktang sagot kung bakit kasama niya itong mga tao dito sa larawan. Ayan. Bigyan natin ng benefit of the doubt. Maraming mga nagpapapicture ngayon sa mga kilalang tao. Hindi mo naman matatanggihan. Mga kapuso, baka sabihin suplado mo naman. Di ba? Baka may mas malito siyang paliwanag. Alas 6:32, mga kapuso, ito po ang bahagi niyan. Melo del Prado, sa paliwanagan. DZW. Paliwanagan.
It is incumbent upon himself to identify
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Information is considered not intelligent.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Later, okay? Instantaneous. Okay.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Huwag mahihiyang magtanong sa mga doktor o sa mga accredited na botika para makasigurado. Para sa ligtas at dekalidad na gamot, hanapin ang check. Pag may check, that's right man. Laging i-check